Here we have the 68 plate BMW 520d M Sport. It comes with the M Performance kit. We've got the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the red calipers behind. We've also got the LED headlights with the kidney front grille and the front splitter at the bottom. This car also comes with front and rear parking sensors. Here's another look at the alloy wheels. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside. We've got the colour-coded door handles and side mirrors. We've also got the shark fin antenna up top just there with the spoiler on the tailgate. Moving our way round to the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser and the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. I'm just going to open the tailgate for you, so if you press your button underneath the BMW badge, you can see we've got plenty of space in this boot for whatever you may need. Now to close it, just pop your hand in the handle, pull down, and you can see that the tailgate closes. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the grey stitching, centre armrest with the Isofix point, vents in the centre for the passengers. We've also got the electric windows and the door handle just here. Onto the front, you can see we've got the same styling front seats, black leather with the grey stitching. We've also got the heated seats with the electric function just there. We've got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock for the rear. We've got the automatic headlights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. I'll just take a seat inside, turn this vehicle on for you. Foot is on the brake, press the start button. You can see on the dashboard that we are free from any warning lights. Onto the steering wheel, you can see we've got the cruise control and speed limiter just here with the paddle shift behind. We've also got the Bluetooth phone connectivity here with the paddle shift behind just there. Onto the centre screen, you can see this car comes with the DAB radio and the Bluetooth media with Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've also got the nav, so I'll just show you the map display on screen just here. You can see a nice visual display. This car also comes with the ambient lighting, so if you go into the vehicle settings and lights, you can change the colour in which that you would like. So you've also got the lilac all the way up to the bronze. And my favourite colour is blue, so I'm going to stick with that. Moving down, you can see we've got the dual climate control. We've got the air conditioning here with heated seats on both sides and the rear heated window just there. I'm going to pop this car into reverse. You'll be able to see we've got the front and rear parking sensors. Popping it back into neutral, and if I just press the drive modes, you can see we've got the Eco Pro, we've got the Comfort, and we've got the Sport button just there. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.